Hi, I'm Milo, and this is Teller, and we live in this van. When building out this van and knowing that Teller was going to be coming with me, I knew that I needed to include some sort of air conditioner in the build because his safety and comfort are my top priority. The ZeroBreeze Mark II turned out to be the perfect solution for a small device that could target cool my dog's little bedroom. And I really like the Mark II's low power draw. It's really kind on my batteries. I feel like I can run it whenever I need to and not feel like I'm sacrificing power. I would definitely recommend the Mark II to anybody who's looking to cool a small area. It's not made to cool down a whole van for sure, but if you're looking to just target cool an area like a dog's bedroom or just to cool off yourself or your dog like we do often, it's perfect for that. Teller and I are really enjoying the comfort the Mark II brings to our tiny home.